don't see more questions on the board. Can I ask one last question
Yeah,
before we wrap it up?
Yeah, go ahead.
Are we allowed to buy Jewish books from Messianic bookstores?
Why would you want to buy it from Messianics? There is, like, if it's kosher book, so you have it's actually the best test. If it's in a Jewish store, so it is like if it's reliable store, so most likely it is kosher, most likely. So, but if you buy it from Messianic, you don't know what you're buying. Plus, we try not to give them any Parnasah. It's better to give a kosher Jew Parnasah, even if it's actually Shulchan Aruch says about it. If it's more money, so it's more proper to support Jew that kosher than to give non-Jew who is maybe not an idol worshipper, right? Needless to say, idol worshipper of the Messianics, right? Try to give him Parnasah, like sustenance.
Thank you, Rabbi.
Yeah, plus, one side, you don't know how they're going to use this money. Maybe they make even a minimum, and they're going to include in your book some leaflets from the craziness. You understand? And maybe therefore they take this Parnasah and use it to missionize the Jews. So of course we don't want to be part of it directly or indirectly. Okay, go ahead.
Thank you very much, Rabbi.
No.
Now, I just want to clarify that, of course, Baruch Hashem, there's a lot of ways to get kosher books everywhere, but this specific book that I'm eager to get, I haven't found anywhere else.
So maybe then you really need it. Maybe it's not so kosher after all.
Thank you very much, Rabbi.
Maybe there is a reason why other publishers, why other kosher stores do not carry it. Maybe there is a deeper reason. So I mean, they are these kosher bookstores. They are they in business to make money. Of course, they spread the Judaism, of course, but they may make money if a book is in high demand, right? So why would not sell it to make money, to spread Torah and make money? What is the problem? So if the God-fearing people they do not sell, so there is a reason for that.
Thank you, Rabbi. No, they actually sell it, but they don't ship it to where I live.
That's good.
The thing.
That's good. Very good. Good for them.
Thank you very much, Rabbi.
Yes, you're welcome.